Greetings barbers, this is Max from Stag, and today I'm going to be showing you how to lay out longer hair. So what we're going to do is we're going to start by layering this, just removing the weight through this vicinity, and just creating a little bit more texture. What I'm going to do is I'm going to layer this square, where I basically pull all the hair up to this point. So everything that reaches up should be almost like a box through this area. I'm just going to bring this section up. Everything doesn't reach, don't worry about. It's just not meant to be involved in the layer. Everything up. Straight from the head. What I'm going to start to do is almost work, almost like orange segments around till I was starting vertically, and we're going to be a little bit more horizontally around the front, so then I can bring everything up and layer through. Make sure we have balance. You can check out cross-checking in one of our other videos. But what you want to do while you're cross-checking is just working the opposite way to the way you've been cutting the hair. So we've been working this way, vertically, we're just going to cross-check that way, make sure everything's sitting as we want. As you can see, we're just starting to get a little bit of natural movement through there. You'll notice the hair's just sitting in a little bit more to the neck. We're going to cross-check by working the opposite way to the way we were cutting. And as you can see, it starts a bit shorter, goes into a little bit more length.
Thank you very much for watching our video. Please don't forget to like or subscribe down there, or if you want to see another video straight away, check out some of these.